Engineers have done something unique while making this railway overbridge in Aishbagh in Madhya Pradesh's capital Bhopal. We are not saying this. This is the question, and the people on social media are saying this. We'll just show you the pictures of this ROB which is newly constructed, and this is the Aishbagh area. We are on a high-rise building and we will show you the visuals of this bridge. As you can see, this bridge is where the bridge is ending just before there's a turn which is a 90-degree turn. People are raising questions on this bridge which is made at a cost of 18 crore rupees and has been turned 90 degrees. Now the Congress, the opposition party, is raising questions. The people on social media are raising questions. This ROB, which was built to ace traffic, has been designed in such a way that it will always be a risk of accident and for the vehicles running on it. This ROB has been suddenly given a sharp 90-degree turn, which you can right now see in the visuals, and due to the high speeds, vehicles could collide not only head-to-head but also to the wall of ROB. According to the guidelines and standards of PWD and NHAI, usually a turn of up to 90 degrees is allowed on flyover or an ROB. But this does not mean that the ROB or flyover going straight will suddenly be given a sharp turn of 90 degrees. As a rule, the turn is made in the form of a curve after assessing all the conditions. Leave aside the flyovers or ROBs, even the road construction, no turn is made very sharp. Even there is a curve which is used. The maximum degree of this curve depends on the category of the road, such as highway, state level highway or rural road, etc. Apart from this, design, speed, safety standards and geographical condition are also responsible for this. Despite this, Indian Road Congress has a rule that if vehicles move at a normal speed on the road, then the turn should not be made so sharp that the vehicle becomes unbalanced while turning. Generally, in road engineering, the degree of the curve is the angle that forms a chord of 30 meters or 20 meters. Now, experts usually say that during construction of road, if there is a narrow turn, then the road is widened on both the sides. If there is no space on the road or degree is high while making a curve on the flyover or ROB, then super elevation is resorted to. Now, when the matter of Bhopal's ROB has come into the headlines, Madhya Pradesh's PWD Minister Rakesh Singh took cognizance of it. First, he said that the ROB will be improved with the super elevation technology. Then he told the NHAI team has inspected the ROB in Bhopal Aishbagh's area. This team will present its technical report after this is a decision which will be taken for the future of ROB. Though much time was there when this bridge was constructed, people thought that this will ease the traffic, that this will ease everything, the problems which they have been facing from last many decades. But this bridge, the 90-degree angle, is now raising concerns of the accidents, which people are saying that it will cause accidents in further coming days if it is started. Do you know where am I right now? This is the railway overbridge in Aishbagh in Madhya Pradesh's capital Bhopal. This bridge is trending on social media. People are making memes on this bridge. But not because of the cost runs, not because of the delays, but the construction of the bridge. As you can see, this is the railway overbridge which will be connecting old Bhopal to some of the places of new Bhopal, and it has been said that it will benefit the people living in this area. But this 90-degree angle is now saying that commuters will be unsafe because of this angle. Built at a cost of rupees 18 crores, the bridge spans around 648 meters in length and 8.5 meters wide. This is the overbridge near Aishbagh Stadium. Nearly ready for public use, it will connect Mahamahi Ka Bagh, Pushpanagar and the station area of New Bhopal. Officials say it will benefit nearly 3 lakh people daily by easing the traffic congestion and eliminating long waits at the Aishbagh railway crossing. However, this sharp turn at the end of the bridge has triggered criticism both online and offline, with residents and commuters questioning the safety of such an angle, especially for the motorists. Critics say that this abrupt bend could pose a risk of accidents, particularly in poor weather and in no visibility condition. Although defending the design, the V.D. Sharma, Chief Engineer of the Public Department, said the unique alignment was unavoidable due to land constraints and the presence of metro railway station near, and there was no option other unavailable. That is why it is here done to provide connectivity between two important localities. To mitigate risk, authorities have decided only small vehicles will be permitted on the bridge. Heavy vehicles will be restricted and the ROB will be operated in accordance with Indian Road Congress safety guidelines, including speed regulation. The construction of the bridge started in March 2023 following growing demands from residents to avoid the closure of Ashbag railway crossing. This is the 90-degree angle. Still you can see the construction is being done there. The roads are being made for this. But still there are no answers that if there will be any of the accidents, how much the road safety department will work to avoid them. We have some people who just came here because this is a talking point on social media. People are talking about this bridge and they are saying that will they be safe while traveling on this bridge. Let's ask them. There are some people, they are the residents of Bhopal itself. यहीं पर रहते हैं आप, ऐशबाग में रहते हैं?
हाँ, भोपाल में रहते हैं।
अच्छा, ये जो ब्रिज है ऐसा पहले मैंने तो कभी नहीं देखा भोपाल में ऐसा कुछ बना हो।
हमने
आप
तो आज तक कहीं भी नहीं देखा है ऐसा ब्रिज।
हाँ।
बहुत जगह ट्रेवल किया हुआ है,
हाँ।
बट ऐसा ब्रिज तो आज तक कहीं भी नहीं
अच्छा,
देखा है।
क्या लगता है आपको, क्या इसमें परेशानी है ब्रिज में?
परेशानी एकदम से टर्निंग पॉइंट दे दिया, इधर से गाड़ियाँ कैसे रिकवर होंगी मैम, तो समझ ही नहीं आ रहा ना। कोई अगर दोनों तरफ से अगर गाड़ी क्रॉस भी होना है तो एकदम कैसे होगा, इधर का तो कुछ भी मूवमेंट दिख ही नहीं रहा है ना पब्लिक को। और अगर इंजीनियर ने ये पास भी किया था तो ठेकेदार तो कई जगह काम करता है ना कंस्ट्रक्शन का, तो उसको भी तो समझ में आता है ना। और इंजीनियर ऐसा कैसा इंजीनियर जिसने ये सब पास कर दिया, उसने भी तो कई ब्रिज बनाए होंगे ना, कई नक्शे बनाए होंगे, तो उनको भी तो समझ में आता है ना कि ऐसा ना बनाया जाए।
तो आप ये कह रहे हैं कि ये जो कंस्ट्रक्शन डिजाइन है ये बहुत अनसेफ है। जैसे अभी बारिश का वक्त आने वाला है तो उसमें क्या और खतरनाक होगा?
खतरनाक क्या, एक्सीडेंट का डर रहेगा और इनडायरेक्टली जाके गाड़ी उधर भी गिर सकती है ना, सामने से या इधर से कोई स्पीड में आता है तो एकदम से टर्न नहीं कर पाएगा ना, यहाँ पे कैसे होगा टर्न।
So they are saying that if the vehicles are coming like cross wheeling each other, it will be risky. As you can see, there's just a straight turn and that will go there, and a sharp 90-degree turn which will go to the left and the bridge will end. This is the 90-degree turn and you can see a line has properly been made. We have one more resident here. कैसा लग रहा है आपको, मतलब आप लोग ही जब गाड़ी चलाएंगे, क्योंकि हमें ही ट्रैवल करना है इस ब्रिज पर, आपको लगता है कि ये बहुत ज्यादा रिस्की हो जाएगा? क्यों इतना ज्यादा ये कंट्रोवर्शियल है ब्रिज?
कंट्रोवर्शियल तो मेरे को ऐसा ज्यादा लग नहीं रहा वैसे मेरे को, पर अगर बस वगैरह अगर गाड़ी लंबी अगर आ रही इधर से तो उन्हें दिक्कत हो सकती है। बाकी मुझे आइडिया नहीं इतना।
अच्छा, नहीं जैसे कि अगर आपको लगता है कि जो ऐसा ब्रिज आपने पहले चली कभी देखा है?
नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं देखा, फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ पे।
अच्छा।
और इसीलिए मैं देखने आया हूँ, मैं यहाँ रहता नहीं, वैसे मैं थोड़ा उधर रहता हूँ बल्लभगंज साइड।
अच्छा।
तो मैं यहाँ देखने ही आया था ब्रिज फोटो खींचने।
अच्छा, मान लीजिए वहाँ से एक कार आ रही है तेज स्पीड में उस साइड से, सामने तरफ से ब्रिज की ओर से, और वहाँ जहाँ पर ये ब्रिज एंड हो रहा है वहाँ से एक बाइक आ रही है, बारिश का मौसम है, क्या आपको लगता है कि एक्सीडेंट बहुत ज्यादा प्रोन हो जाएगा?
होगा ही, वो तो होगा ही, तो हो सकता है एक्सीडेंट वगैरह।
अच्छा,
क्योंकि रोड आना जाना दोनों है ना इसमें।
हाँ दोनों रहेगा।
हाँ, तो फिर वो तो होगा ही।
टू वे तो ज्यादा परेशानी होगी।
प्रॉब्लम
आपको क्या लगता है कैसा होना चाहिए था
इसको राउंड ऑफ में वहाँ से राउंड ऑफ देना चाहिए था, और इसको वहाँ उतारने, इतना लंबा टर्न उतारने की जगह यहाँ भी उतार सकते थे, उससे ये हो सकता था कि यहाँ के लोग यहाँ भी जा सकते हैं। अब इन्होंने इतना लंबा जाके उसको ब्रिज को वहाँ डाउन ऑफ किया हुआ है। अगर ये चाहते तो यहीं डाउन ऑफ, अगर ट्रायंगल से बनाते तो इस टाइप से बन जाता ना, तो यहाँ उतर भी सकता था। लेकिन इन्होंने 90 डिग्री करके पता नहीं किस हिसाब से बनाया, तो वो तो हमें भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है। और इसमें सुधार करना चाहिए ना, अगर ऐसा लग रहा है इंजीनियर से अगर कोई गलती हुई है तो सुधार की भी तो गुंजाइश हो सकती है ना।
So this bridge, like around the construction of this bridge started around in March 2023, and it was being said that only 18 months will be taken to make this bridge. But now it has been 36 months after this bridge was constructed. This will be maybe inaugurated next month for ease of people so that they do not face traffic. But this 90-degree angle is now raising questions. Though the PWD Minister Rakesh Singh has said that they have investigated this bridge and they will soon be seeing a report regarding this bridge, that if there is a problem really, then they will investigate it and solve it. But the PWD engineers are saying that there was no space, because one area there's a metro station, one area there's a railway station, so there was no space left. That's why they have constructed this bridge at 90 degree. But will the people be safe? Will the motorists be safe? These are the questions which are being raised by the common people here in Bhopal. With camera person Prateek from Bhopal, Amritanshi Joshi for India Today.